Good morning, children, and welcome to your EVS class. Dear children, today I am going to teach you all about lesson 25. We love our Mother Earth. Today's lesson is lesson 25. We love our Mother Earth. Dear children, you can see in page number 48 of your EVS book, lesson 25. This lesson is all about our planet. But before starting this lesson, I would like to ask you all that do you know that in which planet do we all live? Children, do you know that what is the name of our planet? The name of our planet is Earth. The name of our planet is Earth, and we should take care of our planet always. We should keep clean our planet always. Dear children, now you can see that the name of this beautiful poem is Kiss the Earth. What is the name of this poem? Kiss the Earth. I am going to read this poem for all of you, and then I will explain about this to you. Here you can see that walk and touch peace every moment. Walk and touch happiness every moment. A knot needed with fresh breeze. Each step makes a flower bloom. Kiss the earth with your feet. Shower your love and happiness. The earth will be safe when we feel safe in ourselves. So children, as I have taught you just now that the planet in which we all live is Earth. The name of our planet is Earth. So in this poem, the poet is telling that we all are the children of Mother Earth. We all are the children of Mother Earth. The poem Mother Earth is a beautiful description of the planet Earth as the mother of everything, including all the objects in the world as well as human beings. The main idea of this poem is love of nature. Dear children, the poem is trying to tell us that we should love our planet, we should love the nature, and we should always take care of our planet. We should always take care of nature, because nature is the gift of nature, because all the things found on this earth is the gift of nature, such as plants, trees, river, soil, mountain, lakes, human beings. We all are the gift of nature. We all are gift of nature. So children, this poem is a beautiful description about our planet. But before I will teach you more about this, I will explain you more about this poem. I would like to ask you that how do we love our nature? How can we show our love to the nature? We can by planting trees. By planting more and more trees, we can show our love towards nature. And by giving up the use of plastic, we can also show our love towards nature. We should reduce the intake of meat. We should reduce the intake of meat, and we should keep our surroundings clean by planting more and more trees. By keeping our surrounding clean, we should take care of our nature. Dear children, do you know that we all are, all the human beings, all the animals, animals, all the plants and animals, we all are the beautiful gift of nature. We all are children of this earth. We all are the children of this earth. Now, let me explain you about this poem. Walk and touch, peace every moment. Walk and touch, happiness every moment. In the first line, the poet says, take my hand, we will walk and only walk. We will enjoy our walk without thinking of arriving anywhere. Walk peacefully, walk happily. Our walk is a peace walk. Our walk is a happiness walk. Then we learn that there is no peace walk. Then what do we learn? We learn that there is no peace walk. There is no happiness walk. The happiness is the walk. That happiness is the walk. We walk for ourselves. We all walk for ourselves. We walk for everyone always and hand in hand. Now, come to the next lines. A knot needed where with fresh breeze, each step makes a flower bloom. Now, in the next lines, the poet tries to tell us that each step brings a fresh breeze. When we walk, our each single step brings fresh breeze. Under our each step makes fresh breeze. Each step makes a flower bloom under our feet. When we walk, our each step brings or makes a flower bloom. The poet is asking us to kiss the earth. Kiss the earth with your feet. Now in the next line, show your love and happiness. The earth will be safe when we feel safe in ourselves. Now the next line tells us about that print on earth your love and happiness. Print your love and happiness. Earth will be safe when we feel in us enough safety. When we feel enough safety, we all will feel safe. The earth will also feel safe. So children, this is what this poem is all about. So I hope children that you will love this poem and you will read this poem at your home too. You will watch this video, you will read this poem and try to learn this poem at your home. You will also try to plant more and more trees to show your love towards the nature, and you will also work for your planet. You will consume less plastic, or you will move towards no plastic movements, and you will also keep your surrounding clean, as the poet is trying to tell us through this poem. So children, you will watch this video at your home and you will read this poem and learn it too. I hope you will like this video, and so till then keep learning and do take very good care of yourself. Thank you.